I will start by making a herbal tea rinse I will be using for my hair. This herbal mix contains several herbs such as henna, aloe vera, slippery elm, so I'm going to be making use of it. I will be using 2 tablespoons of this herbal mix. Next, I will be using cayenne pepper. Wait first, before you scream. Cayenne pepper has a particular active which is known as capsaicin. Capsaicin helps stimulate blood flow from dormant follicles. Coffee is known as a DHT blocker and a hair stimulant. I use half teaspoon of coffee because the herbal mix had coffee in it. But if you do not have the herbal mix, you will need to use more coffee. This is parsley. Parsley helps to heal the follicles from damage. So if you have traction alopecia, this is something you might want to add to your hair routine. You can also use fresh parsley if that's what you have available. Then we have hibiscus. Hibiscus helps to condition the hair, it reduces hair loss, it thickens the hair, and it combats dandruff. There is no DIY that is complete without hibiscus. Lastly, we have MSM. MSM is a type of sulfur. It helps to enhance the function of the protein in our hair. After this, I'll be adding hot water. Then stir so that it can thoroughly combine together. Cover it up and leave it to brew for an hour. This was after an hour. Look at how the color looks so different. It means all the flavors have been infused with water. So let's strain all the liquid out. I will transfer the tea into my spray bottle so that it can be easy for me to apply on my hair. So I'll be applying the tea to all the major parts of my hair. My edges, the middle of my hair, the back of my hair, the top part of my hair, the sides of my hair. After that, I'll apply them to my hair strands. Then I'll massage all the important points of my hair. If you want to see a video on how I massage my scalp, let me know. I will wear my shower cap to create a warm environment so that the product can work better. This is the remaining tea, so I'll be transferring it into this cup, which I will be putting in the freezer. You can use the remaining every other day to spray it and massage your scalp, or you can keep it for your next wash day. Please subscribe if you haven't and click the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I post. All the products I used in this video will be linked in the description. When I was done with washing my hair, I had to examine my scalp to check if it was clean. Then I deep conditioned my hair using Zitonappy, moringa and Hibiscus deep conditioner. This was when I finished washing my hair. My nails snagged my hair, so I had to cut it off here. I will be oiling my scalp using Zitonappy hair growth oil. Then I'll lightly moisturize my hair strand because it's night. For the moisture to last longer, I'll be applying this butter just to my hair strands. After that, I'll massage my scalp thoroughly, then pack my hair into a low bun. Thank you for watching, see you next time, and don't forget to subscribe.